Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to insert the division symbol in Microsoft Word. The quickest way to add this symbol is by using a keyboard shortcut. Simply hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and type the numbers 0, 2, 4, 7 on your numeric keypad. Once you release the Alt key, the division symbol will instantly appear in your document. This is a very efficient method for frequent use. Another reliable method involves using Word's built-in symbol dialog box. Navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon, then click on Symbol and select More Symbols. In the dialog that appears, ensure the font is set to normal text and scroll through the character set. You will find the division symbol, often represented as a small horizontal line with dots above and below. Select it and click Insert to place it. For those who frequently use the division symbol, setting up an auto-correct entry can be a huge time saver. Go to File, then Options, and select Proofing. Click on Auto-Correct Options. Here, you can specify a short text string, like a parenthesis, div parenthesis, to be automatically replaced with the actual division symbol. This way, whenever you type your chosen shortcut, Word will instantly convert it, streamlining your workflow significantly. Finally, if you're working with more complex mathematical equations, Word's equation editor is your best friend. You can access it from the Insert tab by clicking Equation. Once the equation box appears, you can simply type a / between two numbers or variables, and the editor will automatically format it as a proper fraction or division symbol. This method is ideal for academic papers or technical documents requiring precise mathematical notation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.